Tonight, family and friends of a Hamilton murder victim cried and sobbed in a courtroom in the city today, and they expressed outrage over the way the justice system is handling the killer.
They told the court how the murder almost 3 years ago has devastated their families and their lives. Al Sweeney joins us with more. Al?
Hi there, Phil. It was a gripping scene at the Sopinka Courthouse as family and friends of the victims listened to evidence they hadn't heard before and heard a psychiatrist say the accused man wasn't criminally responsible. The mother of 28-year-old Nikkolas, or Nikko Sienna, says she's angry.
There's no justice for him. It's wrong. It's wrong.
Nikko's father says the justice and police system failed them and their son.
Start to finish, yeah. It's sad. My poor son paid the price.
The Crown and defense agreed in court that in July 2019, Mark Duckett, in his mid-20s, broke into the Sienna home next door in his West Mountain neighborhood and killed Nikko, shooting him 12 times, even stopping to reload his gun.
Roused from bed, and then we hear gunfire, and we know what that sound is. And I was hiding in my room on the floor. I managed to call 911.
A psychiatrist testified that Duckett was schizophrenic, had hallucinations, and delusions that the Sienna family was out to get him, which wasn't the case, and didn't know right from wrong. And police had been called hours before the shooting because of concerns about his behavior, but left after giving him a warning. Charged with first-degree murder, Duckett pleaded not guilty on the basis of mental illness today and was found not criminally responsible for the murder, or NCR. The victim's family and friends were crowded into the courtroom, not convinced by the mental illness argument.
I do not believe in the NCR, that he was schizophrenic in that moment, because he waited until we were all sound asleep in bed, till the lights went out, and that's when he hit. After he did it, he drove himself to the police station and he turned himself in. He knew right from wrong.
And the family is afraid Duckett will come after them next.
When he gets out, he has no criminal record and no restriction. So that means he goes before a review board every year, and if the board says he's fine, he's out walking the streets anywhere he wants.
If he did what he did to Nikko, he may get out and do something to my sister or the other kids or the other family members.
He could get out, and our family already worries every day that we're going to run into his family, and it's just a lot.
And they told the court how the murder has damaged their lives, breaking up families, creating fear and PTSD.
Oh, it's devastating. They're broken, they're sad, they're lost.
So there was evidence today that Duckett was allowed to legally buy the handgun he used in the killing, even though he was showing signs of schizophrenia. The family says there's a lot more to this case. They were hoping for a trial to bring out the facts. Now that he's been found not criminally responsible, Duckett will be held in forensic psychiatric institutions with an annual review of whether he still suffers from mental illness. After hearing the families, the judge ordered that he be taken to a hospital outside the Hamilton region within 30 days.